Hey guys, my name is Tessa. In case you've never seen my face, hello, it is nice to meet you.
Hold up, tell me what the...
Today I'm sharing with you guys a ab and upper body Pilates style follow along workout. We are going to use a dumbbell. Where's my dumbbell? We are going to use a weight. You don't need to use a weight, but if you want to, you can, of course, for an additional challenge, or just hold a water bottle or such. But we're going to tone up the abs, we're going to tone up the upper body, follow along. We're going to do 4 exercises for 50 seconds per exercise, 10-second break between, and we're going to do the circuit twice. So yeah guys, let's tone up our abs and upper body. This is a great finisher to a workout, highly recommend. Let's do this.
Hold up, tell me what the hold up is. I'm a little sport, I'll be the first to admit it. I'm not used to laying low about my feelings. Tell the world or write a book when I'm finished. I should thank your mama, yeah. Look at what she made, sweating you so badly. I'm in summer with no rain. Yeah, I want it more than I want to. I want it. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. You got me on my knees begging, pleading, praying I'll be receiving everything I want from you. Yeah, I want it. Don't you know I want it more than I want to? You won't catch me interested, I'm way too selective, but you're catching my interest and it's working so effective. Got me seeing colors Picasso couldn't paint. You pull me deep and rapture me, leave me no restraint. And I should thank your mama. Oh, look what she made. Lord, I'm sweating you so badly. I'm in summer with no rain. Yeah, I want it more than I want to. I want it. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. You got me on my knees begging, pleading, praying I'll be receiving everything I want from you. Yeah, I want it. Don't you know I want it more than I want to? Usually got way too much pride, but for you I put it aside. 'Cause I can't see you with nobody else. It would eat me up alive. It would eat me up. You know that. It would eat me up. You know that. It would eat me up. You know that. Baby, you know that it would eat me up. Hey, I want it more than I want to. Yeah, I want it. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. You got me on my knees begging, pleading, praying I'm receiving everything I want from you. I want it. Don't you know I want it more than I want to? You've been pushing my buttons for years, you've been wearing me down. Broke every promise, been looking for another way out. Now I can't tell left from right. It's turning from dark to light. Laying together, thinking it over. Something is different in your eyes. They looking so bright. And I don't know why. You take me to a that can't get down. Yeah, we know what hell feels like. So now heaven feels extra nice. The battle is over, can you pull me closer? Cause something is different in your eyes. They looking so bright. I wanna jump in the neighborhood pool with you. I wanna dive into that ocean with you. Whisper words that would only make sense to you. I wanna love you till my lips turn blue. Pull me close, wrapping your arms around me, my legs around your body. Hold me close, wrapping your arms around me, my legs around your body. Got my favorite song on the radio. Give me the chills when you put it on. Skin keeps glowing in the indigo. The way we feel, no, they'll never know. The way we feel, no, they'll never know.
guys, super simple. I hope that you try it. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, do all that fun stuff. Check out my channel for lots and lots more workout videos and stuff. I feel like my arms look like weirdly long right now. Yeah, I don't know. But I love you guys. Please follow me on Instagram too if you want to support, and also check down below because I have a bunch of goodies and free stuff for you guys. I love you, and I will see you soon.